Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do some editing here. If I go in here and take a look, there's two things I want you to notice. So number one in the properties is I'm a little overweight. I'm at 5.685 ounces and I don't have wheels or the axles on there. So I want to change that to about 4.5. And the other thing that I have is that center of mass. The center of mass is only back 1.2 inches. If I look at it from this angle and I were to come over here 1.2 inches, that's about right there. I think I would like to get a little over 1.5 moving that back. So here's what I'm going to do. Number one, I'm going to go in and I want to work on my wood body first. Wood body, to work on that, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click in that circle right there. Notice that everything else kind of disappears. You can kind of tell where that weight is, but it's no longer there. So this is the timeline of my wood body. I'm going to take a look at this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cheat this down a little bit. I'm going to remove a little more wood. I'm going to get that point there, and it's constrained to be halfway. I need to delete that constraint. That triangle there. Now I can move that down. So I'm going to go down a bit. That's a straight line there. I'm going to move this whole thing down by getting rid of some wood. It's going to smooth out quite a bit. So chopping the wood literally. So I'm going to now do that. So now everything stays the same. But what I did, I just removed a little more. Let's take a look now. I'll come up here, click on this circle, and see where I'm at weight-wise in properties. Ooh. So I got rid of a lot of weight. Maybe more than I needed to, which is okay. I'm also going to check where my center of mass is. Alright, center of mass. I am screencasting from the jungle today. Alright, center of mass actually moved. Ooh, I gotta move that center of mass. Alright, and I'm a little concerned that alright, I'm gonna go in here and do some doctoring. So center of mass needs to be dropped down. Alright, let's see here what I'm gonna do, and I'll talk you through so you can understand what I'm going to do. I am going to take, let's see, I'm going to turn off the wood body for a second. I'm going to move this deeper, so I'm going to make it taller and less wide. So I'm going to move that in there and do this. So if you take a look at this, I'm going to go steel weight, or wood body I'm going to work on. And then I'm going to come here to this drawing there, which in order to make it deeper, I'm going to drag this down. I'll hit finish sketch, and then I want that to go not as far in. Alright, now let's go here and see if that steel weight still fits in there, because I constrained it to the drawing. That still goes in there, and let's see where I'm at as far as weight. So what I'm doing is saving myself a lot of heartache. I'm not going to rebuild. Ooh, mass is 4.69. That's probably close to perfect. And then, oh my gosh, 1.6. I could keep plugging and chugging, but I'm going to stop there, and I'll make some adjustments after I put wheels on. But that is going to move the center of mass all the way back to here, and I'm getting close to 5. Until I put my wheels on, I don't want to do anything else. So those adjustments were very nice. Now, I was lucky because my steel weight, the bottom, was constrained to the wood sketch. So when I changed the wood, it also changed the steel. You might find yourself in a situation where you'd have to change both. you know, certainly that's happened to me, especially when I was young in CAD. That stuff happened more and more, but the basic shape and format of this is really pretty good. I'm going to stop here and I'll start a new video putting some axles and some wheels on.